Sylvan wood carving is brought to you by Omni CNC. Quality is our core. Hi, it's me again. Today I got into the wood shop and worked on a gift, or I guess I should say reimbursement, for the lady next door. She has always been really nice about watching our dog Lily, who is a 75-pound American pit bull, and Lily can be quite a handful at times. But Jasmine, who watches her, really seems to like her, and Lily likes Jasmine, so that makes things very easy. Now, for those of you who may be looking closely, you will notice that this textured panel looks an awful lot like a tutorial that is done on the Legacy Woodworking site. And that is because I watch their videos once in a while. They have good training videos on Vectric and stuff. And so that's what this is. It is actually a V carving. It's not a 3D model. And as a result, they work very hard. Excuse me, I'm going to interrupt real quickly myself and say that they work really hard to try and make things used as much as possible with V-bits that have profiles. And that's because it increases the speed of the cut tremendously over what it takes to do with any CNC doing a 3D model. So they've got a nice texture going here, and it is just varying depths with the same lines running back and forth. If you want to see what the model actually looks like, that's it right there. So let's see what it looks like whenever we clear the preview, reset the preview, and let's preview all toolpaths. Speed it up a little bit there. And you can see that it's just, it's kind of gouging the wood out there. It's a 1-inch round nose bit. It's not a typical V bit, but the round nose gives it a real nice, smooth, sort of organic look to it that I really like. The next time I'll try, I've got a 120 degree V bit that I'd like to see how that works. I don't want to use one of the tighter bits like the 60 degree or the 90 degree because they're not, there's a good possibility they'll go through the wood because of the depth of the V cut. So, but you can see it turned out pretty nicely, and I was very happy with it. But the one thing I will say is I made it out of MDF, medium density fiberboard, and man, that is a messy material to work with. It's not the first time I've worked with it, but it's the first time I've worked with it like this. Typically I do very quick 2D pattern cuts and stuff, but this time it was just sawing away, making lots of sawdust. So all in all, though, I'm very happy with the way it came out.
hot and dusty.